Hello friends, welcome to Abhi and Me tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to calculate rows of second table of alphabets based on the alphabets in the table 1. Okay, so I have in table 1 four alphabets A B C D, and table 2 I have A B C D with multiple values. Okay, so I want to calculate the rows of A B C D in the second table based on the values in the table 1. Okay, let's see how to do it. Okay, let's see, there is a relationship, there is no relationship, so create a relationship. Okay, so two cases we'll see here how to calculate in two methods. In first method, when relationship is present. Okay, so we'll use a formula called related table. Okay, let's use a DAX calculated column. Okay, this is using related table. Okay, related table, count rows related table from which you want to calculate table 2. Okay, so it will take the relationship of 1 to many and it will calculate the rows like this 6 4 3 2. Okay guys, and the second method is when there is no relationship, how to do this. Okay, so let's remove the relationship. Okay, and we can use a form. These values will change because there is no relationship, right? So these values will get changed. But when there is no relationship, we'll use another formula using the calculate function. Okay, when there is no relationship and no relation, then we'll use the calculate function, right? Calculate function of count rows of table 2. Okay, count rows of table 2, and here we'll apply a filter. Okay, on table 2 based on the columns of table 1 and table 2. So table 2 column should be equal to table 1 column. Okay, so here what we are doing guys, we are calculating the rows of table 2 based on the filtered values of table 2 and table 1. So from table 1, one value it will take, and table 2 it compares and filters the table 2, and then it counts the rows. Okay guys, so let's see the answer. So 6432. Okay, so if there is no relationship, this will work. Okay, if relationship is created, this will work. Okay, let's create a relationship here from column 1 to column 1. Okay, then this will work. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyami Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.